Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we are going to introduce you to two more words that will make you sound like a genius. First up is verdigris. Verdigris. It's a fancy word for the greenish-blue substance that forms on copper and bronze over time. Example: have you seen that statue in the park covered in verdigris? It looks so cool and old. Next, this is a big word. It's called perspicacious. Perspicacious. Perspicacious is a word that describes someone who is very observant and can understand things quickly. They have a talent for seeing things that others might miss and can figure things out easily. It's like having a superpower of understanding. Here is a sentence example. My friend is so perspicacious she can solve a Rubik's Cube in under a minute. And there you have it, folks. Verdigris and perspicacious. Two new words to add to your vocabulary. I hope you had fun learning with me. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more colorful word adventures. See you next time.